Gonna do a quick update to the filter. As you can see down here, this is a granulated activated charcoal filter, GAC filter. Down there I have a 1/8 inch hole. Actually, it's one size smaller than a 1/8 inch, but it's not a 16th, it's in between, it's a 64th. Then there's 4 coffee filters tucked into the throat, real tight, tightly packed up between the cap and the throat. And then here is 2 or 3 coffee filters here. All the granulated active carbon is down in there. Then I made the bottom. I took the bottom and that I had cut off, and then I punched a bunch of holes in it. It's kind of hard to see now, isn't it? But like I punched a bunch of holes in all the low spots, and that way I could pour. See what's a better way of showing you that. There we go. That way I could pour. Let me not get that too close to me. That way I could pour the liquid down in there and not have it mess up the charcoal and get the charcoal all filtered, which doesn't bother it anyway because it's not going through the filters down below there. But I wanted a quick and easy way. That's what you call a diffuser plate. I wanted a quick and easy way for that not to upset the charcoal, just to make it look a little cleaner. So now I'm gonna tuck a little filter in, and I'm gonna push it down in there. And what was happening before was when I poured the liquid into the filter, it was hitting some little holes and squirting up little pieces of charcoal out of the other. So this will stop that. We'll give you a quick demonstration. And here's what's going in there. You can tell it's a little cloudy. That's water, by the way. Give it a quick dump. Now what that used to do when you splashed it in there, yeah, all of it, it'll hold it. What that used to do when you splashed it in there, the granulated carbon would splash up through the holes anyway. So now we don't have that problem anymore. So that's revision 2 actually, to the filter that started out as a 2 liter. Now that's a 3 liter. It holds a little less than a gallon, about 2/3 of a gallon. And what's coming out of there is crystal clear. And that's about 20 drops every 10 seconds. And that's a good flow rate. And the way that you keep that liquid from running through there too fast is by tucking those filters in there real tight down at the neck and reducing the hole. 1/8 inch hole would probably work just fine. You have to really wet and pack your filters down in the neck. And there's your good granulated active charcoal filter. And I don't know if you can see it yet, but that is super clear. And that's what's going in there. I'll give you some idea. Alright, just wanted to give you an update. Found a better way of doing things. Cheers.